Hello and welcome to an episode of Trains App, and today we're at Kidsgrove on the West Coast Mainline. So you'll be services by Virgin Trains, London Midland, East Midlands Trains and Northern. 35107 brought me in with the London Midland service from Crewe bound for London Euston. So let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, and our first train of the day is going to be East Midlands Trains 153 bound for Derby. One 53357. Okay, 153357 is about ready to depart with the 1223 East Midlands train service to Derby. Away from the driver there, thank you very much. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a cross-country Voyager bound from Manchester Piccadilly. I must admit, I forgot cross-country came through here. Okay, and the next train driver is going to be the 1229 Northern service, Stoke on Trent. Three 23233. Okay, she should be about ready to go any moment. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Virgin Trains Class United Pendolino. Three 9121 bound for Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, the next train to pass by is a cross-country Voyager service, presumably bound for Bournemouth. It's 2 to 1, I think that was 128. With a cross-country Super Voyager service bound for Exeter St David's. Okay, and the next train stop is going to be the 1245 East Midlands train service to Crewe. 153381. Okay, she's about ready to go. I've got another 390 bus pass by. .390.001 bound from Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Virgin Pennsylvania bound for London Euston. .390.042. Okay, we're about to have another cross-country Voyager pass by bound from Manchester Piccadilly. And then we have about to have another cross-country Voyager. .220.014 bound for Bournemouth. Okay, now turning up is the Northern Rail 323 bound for Manchester Piccadilly, coming in from Stoke on Trent. So return of 323233. Okay, she's about ready to go. She's thinking about it. I'm having a real good think about it. Even the driver pops out to have a look, see what's going on. Ah. Well, if we about turn, we find incoming is the 1311 London Midlands service to Crewe with 350.109. That sounded healthy. Okay, she's about ready to go. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Virgin Pendolino bound for London Euston. £391.55. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be the 13:15 London Midland service to London Euston. £350.118. Okay, she should be about ready to go. Okay, and as she continues onwards, so I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Not bad station, Kidsgrove. It's quiet, but it's enjoyable nonetheless. I would probably come back here, probably under more favourable weather conditions. It must be said, it's been threatening to rain during most of the day, and it's been spitting every now and again, but it's good enough. I must admit, I did forget the cross-country services came through here, but of course they go via Stoke on Trent, so of course they come through here. Idiot. But yeah, it's good enough to come down to. I'd recommend it. You wouldn't want too long here. I mean, I've only been here for about an hour and a bit. I think you only need about an hour and a half here. Probably not even that. Probably an hour would do you, to be fair. There's definitely plenty of variety of the Voyagers, Zyros, Pendolinos, and so on and so forth. But my next station is going to be Stoke on Trent. Again, it's a station I've never filmed at before, but I am looking forward to filming there. I know it's going to be the exact same services that I've seen here, but there may be the promise of the odd freight train or two as we get later on into the afternoon, which might spice things up a bit. As ever, if you have any tracks locations or stations I'm to film at, particularly on the West Coast Mainline, then please do let me know, and I shall endeavour to do my very best to getting around to doing those for you. But until next time, from me at Kidsgrove, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.